So we're going to start with the book. This whole little lesson is going to be on weather. So we're going to start with the book kind of talking about wind. And there's going to be some experiments in there, some that we're going to do and some that we aren't. And some of them are kind of simple, so you can do them at home if you remember them. But the book's called I Face the Wind. Ever face a strong wind? Your hair blows away from your face. You could lose your hat. And if the wind is blowing hard enough, you may even have to walk on a slant.
On a slant?
It's like when you're not walking straight up. You're more like, oh, I can't do it. It's more like harder, you know? Like you're walking sideways, like you're walking on a slant. Yeah.
Woohoo!
You can't see this force that's pushing you, but you can feel it. And you can see what wind does to other things. It makes flag sticks out straight and flutter. Can you name some things that you see wind do? Omar.
I can see it blow the leaves.
It does. This time of year, all the leaves are blowing everywhere, right? Yes, Melian. They blow what? The trees. Yeah, the trees kind of sway a little bit, right? When I go outside, my hair goes crazy if it's windy, right? It goes everywhere. Yes.
It goes in your face.
Yeah.
You need to put it in a ponytail.
Yeah. So, you can go outside and watch. And a kite will stay in the sky.
Leaf on trees fall.
Yeah, in the fall. So, a kite will stay in the sky. An umbrella will turn inside out. So why does the wind push you? You can discover why by asking questions and doing things to get answers. Here's the first question. What is wind made of?
Wind is made of air.
Wind is made of air. You can see air, but you can't see air, but you can catch it. Here's how.
It's because
In a bag.
of the
We're going to find out, right?
because it's clear.
So wind is made of air. You can't see it, but you can catch it. Here's how. If you open a large plastic bag and make sure there's no holes in it, and you pull it through the air so it puffs up like this, and then you twist it closed to trap the air that you caught, and it's closed so that it is airtight, you can squeeze the bag and feel the air as it pushes back at you as you squeeze. So if you trap it, you can feel the air, right? Yeah.
You can catch it.
You can catch it. So air is real stuff. It's just as real as a book or a bowl of soup.
What?
Wait.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's just an index card, that's okay. Like all real stuff, air is heavier than nothing. How can you weigh air? You can't weigh air like you weigh yourself.
Air is not
It's
heavy.
so light. You can weigh air by doing an experiment.
Air is not heavy. Air is so
Are we
light.
going to do an experiment?
So we're not going to do the experiment today. We're just going to keep going because this is more of a science book and it'll take a long time to do the science experiment. So, but the weight of air is only part of the reason you feel wind. Air is made of a gazillion tiny balls floating in space. These balls are so small that they can't be seen. They have to be imagined. They are called molecules. Wind is made of moving air molecules. Molecules.
Molecules.
You might hear that word when you get a little bit older. It's like
Molecules.
a science word. Yeah, molecules.
Molecules.
So imagine that a ball is like a single moving air molecule. Sit on the floor and roll a ball so that it bumps into your legs, which makes a stronger bump. So that's one of those experiments that you can do at home because we're not going to do today. How can you make air molecules move? Wave this book. The book pushes against the air molecules, starting them to move. Then they push and you feel it. So if I move it slowly, there's a little bit of wind. What if I do it really fast?
Okay, I feel it.
So you felt it more when I was doing it fast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So which wind is stronger?
The fast one.
The fast one?
Ew.
Are there other ways you can make
She's
wind?
spitting.
No, she's blowing. So if you blow out air of your mouth and wave your hand in front of your face, you can be an inventor and make your own kind of air movers. Can you feel it? That's a type of wind. Okay, so the faster the air moves, the stronger the wind. The faster the winds of all the fastest winds of all are in a tornado. These winds are so strong that they can lift a roof right off a house and make a truck fly through the air.
Oh my, I know you.
We're lucky. We don't really have tornadoes around here, right? Which is, some places aren't as lucky.
At least you're not in the eye of a storm.
What?
One of the softest winds is your breath. If you put your fingertip near your nose, you can feel your soft breath. It's really soft, right? Yeah. I know, you can feel it. When you face the wind, gazillions of moving air molecules collide with you. That is why you feel the wind.
Or when you fall down, I feel the air.
So, that is the book.
When you run, you can feel it.
Yeah. So wind is just like one type of weather, right? There's a lot of different types. Like if we looked outside right now, what type of weather is it right now?
Sunny.
It's sunny.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Jayla.
Sunny.
It's sunny out, right?
A little bit windy.
Emiliana.
Emiliana.
Do you know? What? If it's windy? Yeah, it'll get all crazy.
That's what happened to my hair.
Ava.
James right there.
All right, one more. Danielle. What's it like out there? Is it warm or is it a little cold?
Chili.
Chilly. Yes. Is it the time of year? Is it always chilly or is it just right now?
Right now.
Why you
Yeah.
put that
So
in the
November is usually a pretty chilly time. It's starting to become winter, but luckily we're getting the nice weather, so it's still sunny out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to talk about different types of weather, and I'm just going to write them down on the board before we start because.
Oh,
Take out the bottom.
Okay. So raise your hand if you want to tell me one type of weather.
sunny.
Go ahead.
She's not there.
Summer. So that's one type of weather. What's it like when it's summer out? I'm gonna say the one in the book.
That says
Hot. Sorry.
That says not.
Hot. And then what about what's the book? What's the book? The weather in the book. Omar. What was the book weather?
Windy. Flamingo.
There's wind.
I'm
What about
with Miss Foster so she gets her video done.
What if the sun's not out? What is that?
Shirley showed up. Oh no.
That's sunset.
Me.
Sunset?
I can see
I was
it.
thinking if there's like there's no sun and a cloud's covering it, what type of weather is that?
That's wind.
Cold, like cloudy, right?
What?
Okay. I'm thinking when it gets really cold out, what's something that falls from the sky?
Oh, leaves.
Ava.
Oh, green.
Leaves? What if it gets even colder? What falls from the sky? Noah. Snow. Snowy, that's a weather, right?
Yeah, it only comes down when it rains. And when it's snowing.
I'm wonderful.
I heard another one that was someone just mentioned.
Rain and
I'm
tacos.
wonderful.
Rain?
Tacos.
Yeah, rainy weather, right? Okay.
Raining tacos. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, so before you go,
Taco.
guys, can I have your attention?
Yes.
Marianne? So, before you go back to your seat, you're gonna do a little worksheet when you go back to your seat, and it's gonna look something like this.
Wow.
And you're gonna get to draw your favorite weather in this little cloud, and then you're gonna write a sentence why you like it down below. So for me, I might say I think my favorite winter or my favorite weather is I like winter. I kind of like winter. I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one, but I'm gonna make some snowflakes.
I like winter.
And maybe I'll draw myself in the snow.
What?
So you guys will have more time than me, so you can do better drawings. But I might say I like the winter. So I'm smiling, right?
I like winter.
Oh, my hair, right? Okay. So my favorite, I'd say, is winter when it's snowing, right? So I like
winter.
I like
I don't go to
snow, snowy.
I go slow.
I like snowy weather because it is
Cold.
cold
And you get to play in it. And you can play the dough.
I can
Make a snow angel and a
Play.
snowman. No. Why do you sound like a
in
Why do you sound like a bat?
the snow.
I said bat.
Maybe if you want to, you can even write another sentence. For me, I might say, I
Before go sledding.
like to ski. Ski. So that's one reason that I like the winter. What else could you write? So on your papers, what is other things that you could write? Yes, Pharaoh. So you might like the rainy weather. Do you like jumping in puddles, maybe?
Yeah.
No, what's something you could write on your paper?
I like jumping.
You don't know? What weather do you like? Do you like when it's sunny out so you can play outside? Or do you like when it's raining? You like all of it? So you're going to pick one of your favorites and you're going to draw a picture of it, okay? Jayla, what would you like to do? You know? Summer? So you might draw a sun, right? Alright, I'll take one more before you guys go back to your seats. Joaquin. What's your favorite type of weather?
Looking at me.
If you're not Joaquin, can I hear voices get lower? Farrah? So you like to roller skate, so you might like, what, summer, right? So you could draw a picture of the sun and yourself roller skating, and you can say, I like sunny weather because it is warm and I can roller skate, right?
Yeah, you like to be on ice.
Yes. Okay. Okay. You can actually write yours, and I'm going to come around and help you guys. So, everyone look up here. You're going to go back to your seats in a minute, and I'm going to hand out a paper. If you're paying attention, quiet at your seat. And you're going to do this similar worksheet. If you get confused, you can look up here, okay? All right, if you sit at this table, you can go back. Okay. So you can stay here.
Okay, go.
That table can go back. The bar table can go back.
Sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Riley took a selfie and brought over there. Come on,
Obviously did. We'll talk about that. Right now I want you guys to do is do your ass. Okay? Get a pencil out.
If you have a question, I'll be around. You can ask it. Raise your hand.
David, get a pencil out.
You guys can get started when you get it.
Don't say it.
When you get it, you can put your name on the top and get started on your drawing. And draw the picture first, okay, Omar? Take a draw your picture, okay?
You guys are at your seats.
I can't see.
Go sit down. Go sit down.
Yeah, you can start. If you get it, you can start.
If you're having trouble with any of the words, let us know. You can come around.
I'm trouble with the word. Look at my name. Look at my name. Look at my last name. Oh, my last name. Why is it 2-5? That's my last name. You don't have a 5 in your name. That's my name.
To your seat, okay?
I know, I'm trying to be like that. That's how
Think of yourself. What do you want to say? What do you like? What kind of weather do you like? Just show yourself up here. Right weather to the best of your ability.
That's pretty good. I feel like
You're doing a great job.
you like the wind. That's your favorite. Oh, you can after you draw your picture.
What do you like?
You like when it's sunny out?
I like how y'all give yourself pictures.
Finally, I found it. I wanted to do this. I was looking for this. Let me get blue. I need help with this.
Ready for your sentences?
I need help with the sentences. I need help with the sentences. I mean, a dumb. This is me, her. I like snow. I got
I'm doing
that's snowflake.
Oh, yeah. Do you need help spelling something? Which one? What are you doing winter?
Because it's a long snowflake. You can make snow.
which word you think.
Is there anything else you need? Very nice. Snowman. Let's see. I like snowy weather. It's cold and I can play in the snow. I like this one. So I like that it's you like it when it's cold and you like the snow. Is there any other reasons you make snowmen? Very nice. Sunny? You like the sunny weather?
This is your stuff. Okay, you out. This one. How do you draw a hat? How do you draw a hat? Is this better? Is that the hat? Then go with the hat. Go with the hat.
You're done. Well done.
I'm done.
It's a coloring workshop until people finish, okay? Who's done? They're done.
Look at this. Look at me say stop. Miss Rose. Somebody keep on saying jingle bells, jingle ball the buttons. It's being disgusting. I don't like it either.
You need to.
Keep on saying jingle all the buttons.
Okay.
I don't know how to make it. Okay, it's this.
Yes, yeah.
But I don't know how to make it. Let me. I like this. I like this.
I love it. Just go to the writing. So you like to get upside down though.
I don't know how to make it.
You're saying why you telling me you like it.
Yeah, I make it. I don't know how to make it.
Where's it? You need it right here.
Come on, buddy.
Right there. And I'm gonna go here, right? You're gonna say
Very nice.
right below. You have some handwriting over.
You want to
Finish You're holding it. Here, look. Yes.
Sit down. And your seat.
Carol, are you ready for the next sheet?
That's yours.
Just keep going to
Okay,
collect
so
that.
here's-
It's done, and you're still going on the back. You weren't coming up. Right.
You finish? Okay, you done? Awesome. Thank you, guys. You did awesome work. Sir Riley, back to your seat.
Your tablet.
Here you go. Sit down when you're finished and do your drawing. Done? Oh, beautiful, Sir Riley. All right. Here you go. Sit down, okay? Very nice. Good coloring. Good. What about the wrap up? Okay, just one second.
Oh my gosh.
right. Friends, if you please put your pencils and crayons down for a moment.
Riley, sit down.
Carlos,
Sit down for a minute.
thank you.
Okay, so as we're wrapping up, can you look up here? Can you look up here? Pencils down for a second. So Riley, look up here. Omar. Okay, so show me with your hands. So hold up your hand. Out of 5, 5 being like you learned so much about weather, 1 being like I still don't understand. Hold up how many fingers you think like you learned today. Like a 3, a 2, 5. Did you learn a 10? I got a lot of 10s. 5, it's pretty good.
263.
Okay, good job.
Look at
I'll collect your papers in a minute.
10.